Up first this evening, Clarendon Southeastern constituents will go to the polls on March 2 to select a new Member of Parliament. This was announced this afternoon by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. It comes a day after Rudyard Spencer informed his parliamentary colleagues that he was resigning with immediate effect. Now, TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has been tracking the developments and now joins me live in studio. Dwayne.
Thanks, Herman. So the Prime Minister in a statement said nomination day will be on Wednesday, February 12, while election day will be on Monday, March 2. Now, as you mentioned, the seat became vacant after Rudyard Spencer stepped down as MP just yesterday evening. In an emotional parliamentary sitting after the announcement, Mr. Spencer sought to dismiss suggestions that he was pushed from the post. As for the PNP, it does not appear the party will be contesting this by-election. 76-year-old Rudyard Spencer told his colleagues in Gordon House Tuesday evening that he has resigned as Member of Parliament. The four-time MP was, however, keen to point out he was not forced to step aside to make way for a younger candidate in southeast Clarendon.
The truth is, I am not being pushed out. I reach a time when I feel it's time to go. And I want to say a very, very special thank you to Andrew Holness, because I told him, Mr. Sermuda, that since that you have two fellows that are right, and you have only one seat, I will give up one of my seats.
Mr. Spencer confirmed that Pernell Charles Jr. was being ushered into the Clarendon Southeast seat in order to quell a power struggle for the North Central Clarendon seat with another aspiring JLP MP, believed to be Senator Robert Morgan. Mr. Spencer, in his remarks, also thanked the people of Southeast Clarendon for allowing him to serve them for 18 years and said he was sad to say goodbye.
Southeast Clarendon is a part of me. And I sat here and I was getting a little goosebump and crying.
But his emotions were in contrast to the people in Southeast Clarendon, especially JLP supporters. They are angry that Rudyard Spencer has resigned, and they are convinced he was forced out to make way for Pernell Charles Jr. What do you think about the person they're suggesting to send down here, Pernell Charles Jr.?
I don't know. We don't know about him. We enumerate over 2,000 people just other day, yeah. And me never enumerate them for Pernell Charles. Me do that in the interest of my MP.
JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang on Tuesday evening explained a speedy resolution would be sought for the vacant seat.
To the constituency of Southeast Clarendon, we consider a great constituency for this party. And we look forward to having a distinguished member to succeed you in that seat very quickly as well. We do not wish to leave them alone for too long without quality representation. Yeah. Indeed.
But it appears the JLP could have an easy path to retain the Southeast Clarendon seat in a by-election. The country's other major political party, the PNP, confirmed in a release that it was not interested in a by-election and would instead focus on preparing for the general election. The PNP said it was unreasonable to ask taxpayers to pay an estimated $30 million for a by-election at this time, when a general election is likely to be months away and could cost close to $1 billion. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.